this project, I have implemented a real-world data flow system called the Student Registration Data Processing System using Apache NiFi. The main objective of this system is to automate the processing of student registration data in JSON format by moving it through different processing stage without manual intervention. This represents a real-world scenario where educational institutions need to efficiently manage and transform student data using automated workflow. To achieve this, I have designed a NiFi workflow consisting of four main processes. They are get files, update attribute, replace test, and put file. The get file processor is responsible for reading the input JSON file from a specified direction. Once the file is detected, it enters the NiFi flow as a data packet called a flow file. After that, the update attribute processor is used to add or modify metadata associated with the file, such as adding a source, system name, or tracking information. This helps in identifying where the data came from and how it been processed. Then next, the replace text processor is used to modify the actual contents of the JSON file. This step is important for data transformation, where we can change values, restructure data, or format it according to system requirements. Finally, the put file processor write the processed data into an output direction, completing the data pipeline. This shows how NiFi can move data from input to output while applying transformation in between. During the live demonstration, I will first show the input folder where the JSON file is placed. Then I will run the NiFi Pro, and the system will automatically pick the file, process it through each stage, and generate an output file in destination folder. This demonstrations real-time automation and data handling without manual interventions. In conclusion, Apache NiFi provides a powerful visual interface for designing data pipelines. It simplify complex data processing tasks by allowing users to build workflows using drag and drop components instead of writing codes. This makes it highly useful for data engineering, system integration, and real-time data processing application in modern software systems.